Wonderful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Thursday and we are going to learn which subject? Yes, you are right. That is EVS. Yes, in EVS subject, we are going to learn today season. In season, which season we are going to learn today? That is spring season. Now tell me, what is the meaning of spring? Spring season. Ritu. In Hindi we will say Ritu. Yes. Basant. Basant. Yes. Vasant. Ritu. Okay. Yes. Today we are going to learn about spring season. SPRING. Spring. SEASON. Now tell me, what is the meaning of spring season? Everywhere flower will blossom. Yes. Flower will blossom everywhere. Okay, dear kids, look at this picture. Yes, many flowers are there. Yes. Yes, dear kids, during spring season, we will now see the eatables what we will have during the spring season. At the very first, tell me, what is this? Strawberry. Okay, strawberry. Then we will have vegetable salad. Vegetable salad. Okay. Then your favorite sandwich. Sandwich. Okay, dear kids. Yes. During spring season, the weather is pleasant. Means सुहाना. मौसम कैसा रहता है बेटा? सुहाना. Then the sky looks clear. एकदम साफ रहता है ना? Then we see flowers everywhere. Everywhere we can see flowers. Okay. During spring season हमको क्या दिखता है बेटा? चारों ओर flowers, यानी फूल, हमको ताज़े फूल दिखाई पड़ते हैं. Yes. These are all about spring season. Yes, dear kids. The weather is pleasant. The sky looks clear. We see flowers everywhere. Okay. Yes, dear kids. We see some of the eatables during this season, spring season. That is vegetable salad. Right now, Miss had shown the picture. Then sweets, peach, sandwich, raspberry and strawberry. Okay, all these eatables we can see in the spring season. Okay, dear kids. Yes, dear kids, I think you had understood about spring season. Now we will take revise one more time about all the seasons. Yes. So at the very first, which season is beta? This is summer season. Okay. Yes, dear kids. How many seasons are there in a year? Whole year, beta? There are 4 types of seasons. First one is summer season, then winter season, rainy season and spring season. Okay. We will go through all the seasons now. Okay. Now tell me, at the very first, which season is this? This is summer season. Okay. Yes, during summer season it is very hot and sunny. Yes, it is too hot. बहुत गर्म रहता है ना? The hot wind blow. गर्म हवा भी चलती है. It is very sweaty. हमको बहुत सारा पसीना भी निकलता है ना? Okay. Now we will look the eatables, beta. क्या क्या हमको खानी चाहिए वो भी हम एक बार देखेंगे. ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन वी लाइक टू टेक these food items: coconut water, juice, watermelon, then cucumber, ice cream and glucose water. Okay dear kids? Yes, we use during summer. What are the things we use during summer season dear kids? That is sun, sun, glass, sunglass, t-shirt. Okay, then air cooler, AIRCOOLER, air cooler. Then HAT, hat. Then TABLE, table. FAN, table fan. Please note down all these spellings in your 4-line notebook dear. Yes? Now the second season is beta winter season. Oh, look at here, snowman. Wow, children love to play or make snowman. Okay dear kids? Which season is this? This is winter season. सर्दी का मौसम. Which season is gone now? That is winter. Okay, सर्दी का मौसम. Yes, during winter season it is very cold. बहुत ठंड रहती है. It is snowy. Yes, and it is windy. Yes, dear kids. Yes, it is snowy. देखिए यहाँ पर कितने सारे बर्फ गिर रहे हैं ना. Then it is windy. यानी ठंडी हवा भी चलते रहती है. Yes, dear kids. So these are all about winter season. Yes, dear kids. Now we will see some of the eatables during winter season. That is hot milk, hot soup. As you had already know, hot food. हमको गरम चीज़ें खानी चाहिए है ना. जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं हमको गरम खानी चाहिए. Yes dear kids. Then nuts, all type of dry fruits. Then oranges. Then carrot. Yes dear kids, during winter season we will have all this type of eatables. Yes, that is HOT, hot, MILK, hot milk. Then HOT, hot, SOUP, soup, any type of soup. Carrot, vegetable, radish. Yes, any type of soup you can have during winter season. Then hot food, HOT, hot, FOOD, food, hot food. Then nuts, NUTS, nuts. Nuts means dry fruits. Then oranges, ORANGES, oranges. Then carrots, CARROTS, carrots. Yes, along with this beta you have to note down all this spelling in your 4-line notebook along with reading. Yes dear kids. Now we will move to the next. Yes dear kids, we use woolen clothes like sweater and gloves during winter season. Yes dear kids. So all this spelling you can note down in your notebook also beta. Now we will read WOOLLEN, woolen, WOOLLEN, woolen, CLOTHES, clothes. Then SWEATER, sweater. Then woolen gloves, gloves, gloves. Now we will move to the next season. Yes, our next season is rainy season. Okay, dear kids, which season is this, beta? Rainy season. Okay, where we use umbrella. Yes? Yes, during rainy season. Yes, now tell me, dear kids, which season is this? I think you all are aware about this season. Yes, this is rainy season where we use umbrella, raincoat, gumboots. Yes, all these things. Yes. Yes, look at here. During rainy season, children love to play with boat. Yes, look at here. One girl is holding umbrella and this man is also holding umbrella. Yes, dear kids. Yes, and children love to play with water by making boat. Yes, dear kids. During rainy season, it is cloudy. बादल रहता है ना? Then it is stormy also. बादल गरजते हैं. Then it rains. उसके बाद में बारिश होती है. Yes. Now we will see some of the eatables, food items, that is hot soup, hot milk, then corn, yes, corn cobs, then guava, gooseberry, then carrot. Yes. Yes, dear kids, food items which we will have during which season, dear kids? Rainy season. That is hot, H-O-T, hot, S-O-U-P, soup. Hot soup, H-O-T, hot, M-I-L-K, milk, hot milk, C-O-R-N, corn cobs. Yes, then guava, G-U-A-V-A, guava. Then G-O-O-S-E, goose, B-E-R-R-Y, gooseberry. Yes, G-O-O-S-E, goose, B-E-R-R-Y, gooseberry means karvan. Then carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot means gajar. Yes. Yes, what are the things we use during rainy season, dear kids? That is umbrella, U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Then raincoat, R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. Then G-U-M-B-O-O-T, yes, gumboots. All these things we use in rainy season. Yes, dear kids. Yes, dear kids. Now, these are all about the season which we had learned today. Now, take out page number 6666, beta. Yes, this page is your homework. Look at the picture and read the names. Write the same under each one. Yes, you have to write all the spelling as it is in the given space, beta. Okay, dear kids. So at the very first, come on, let's read also. Which now only had taught this topic, taught this season. Which season is this? Come on, tell me. Yes, you are right. This is spring season. So we'll read S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Okay. So Like the same way you have to write here beta. Okay, you have to copy the spelling here. Then what is this? This is frog. Which wearing is this? Frog. So we will read the spelling. F-R-O-C-K. Frog. Then which picture is this? This is fan. F-A-N. Fan. You have to write here. Now tell me which picture is this? Wow, this is butterfly. Yes, now we will read also. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. We will write the spelling here. Okay, dear kids. Now, what is this? Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Then this, what is this? This is a plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. Okay, dear kids. Like this way you have to read and write this page and send it to me. Okay, dear kids. Take care. Bye bye. See you.